In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watched videos on Facebook. So I'm starting here by opening Facebook. And once the page loads, I'm going up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. That opens up the account menu. And from here, I'm going to select settings and privacy, then choose activity log. Once that opens, Facebook takes me into the section where different account actions and history are stored, and this is exactly where we need to be for watched videos. Now that I'm in activity log, I'm looking over to the left sidebar because that's where the next option is. I'm going to find your activity across Facebook and click on that. Once I do, Facebook shows more activity categories, and from here I'm selecting videos. This is the section that keeps track of video activity. So once I click it, I'm taken to the page where my watched video history appears. At this point, I'm looking up toward the top right of the page for the option that says Clear Video Watch History. That's the one we need if we want to remove the watched videos history. So I'm going ahead and clicking Clear Video Watch History now. As soon as I do that, Facebook asks me to confirm the action just to make sure I really want to clear it. Now I'm clicking Clear to confirm. Once that's done, Facebook clears the watched video history from this section. So if you've been trying to clean up your watched videos or just don't want that history sitting there, this is the part that takes care of it. It's actually a pretty quick process once you know where the setting is because everything happens right inside activity log. I'm just going through it again while it's still on screen so it feels easy to follow. Open Facebook, click your profile picture in the top right, select settings and privacy, and choose activity log. Then in the left sidebar, click your activity across Facebook, select videos, and once that page opens, click Clear Video Watch History in the top right. After that, click Clear to confirm, and that removes the watched video history. If you're following along on your own screen, just take it one click at a time, and you should be fine. I'm opening Facebook, heading into the menu from my profile picture, going into activity log, opening your activity across Facebook, selecting videos, and then clearing the history from the top right. Once that confirmation is done, the watched video history is removed, so that's really all there is to it. No extra menus, no complicated setup, just a quick trip into activity log and a couple of clicks in the video section. Open Facebook, go to your profile picture, choose settings and privacy, open activity log, head into your activity across Facebook, select videos, then click Clear Video Watch History and confirm it. And that's how to delete watched videos on Facebook.